Chapter 6 Fun with MS Paint. Topics covered: starting MS Paint, using Shapes group, using Tools group, saving the drawing, closing Paint window, opening the saved drawing. Starting MS Paint. To start MS Paint, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Start button, which is placed on very left bottom corner of desktop. Step 2. Click on the All Apps option. Step 3. Select Windows Accessories and then choose Paint option. After opening MS Paint, we will get the following screen: Quick Access Toolbar, Title Bar, Ribbon, Drawing Area. Let us look at the different parts of the Paint window. Ribbon. It contains 3 tabs: File, Home and View. Each tab contains one or more command groups. Each command group contains tools with which we draw and paint. Canvas or drawing area. It is the area where we draw and paint. This area is used for making colorful drawings. Quick Access Toolbar. It contains the buttons to do common tasks. Title bar. It displays the program name and the file name. Using Shapes group. Look at the Shapes group on the ribbon of a Paint window. It has many tools that we can use to draw different types of ready-made shapes like rectangles, ellipses, triangles, arrows, hearts, stars and many more. Drawing a straight line. Step 1. Click on the Home tab. Step 2. Select the Line tool in the Shapes group. Step 3. Select any color from the Colors group and the line thickness from the Size button. Step 4. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Step 5. Press and hold down the left mouse button and drag the mouse pointer on the drawing area. Note that a line is drawn on the screen while dragging the mouse. Step 6. Release the mouse button when we want to end the line. Curve tool. Step 1. Click on the Home tab. Step 2. Click on the Curve tool in the Shapes group. Step 3. Select a color and the required thickness. Step 4. Bring the mouse pointer on the drawing area. Step 5. Click and drag the pointer to draw a line. Step 6. Move the pointer to the point where we want to add a curve. Click and drag the line to draw a curve. Rectangle tool. We can use the Rectangle tool to draw rectangles and squares. To draw a rectangle, follow these steps. Step 1. Left-click on the Rectangle tool. Step 2. Choose a color and a line thickness. Step 3. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Keep the left mouse button pressed and drag the pointer to make a rectangle. Oval tool. We can use the Oval tool to draw circles and ovals. To draw a rectangle, follow these steps. Step 1. Left-click on the Oval tool. Step 2. Choose a color and a line thickness. Step 3. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Keep the left mouse button pressed and drag the pointer to make an oval. Cyber tidbits. If we want to draw a circle using the Oval tool, or a square using the Rectangle tool, press and hold the Shift key as we drag the mouse. Polygon tool. Step 1. Select the Polygon tool from the Shapes group. Step 2. Select the thickness of a line by clicking on the Size button and color from the Colors group. Step 3. Draw a line up by clicking and dragging the mouse from point A and releasing the button at point B. Step 4. Move the pointer to point C and click once. The line BC will be drawn. Step 5. Bring the mouse pointer to point D and click once. Further click the left mouse button at point E. Step 6. Double-click at the final point A to close the shape, using Polygon tool. Using Tools group. The Tools group has many tools that have different functions. These tools help us in making drawings. Pencil tool. The pencil tool works like a real pencil. It is used for freehand drawing. To draw a figure using the pencil tool, follow these steps. Step 1. Left-click on the Home tab. Step 2. In the Tools group, left-click on the Pencil tool. Step 3. Bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Left click and hold the left mouse button as we draw. Eraser tool. The eraser tool is used to rub out a part of the drawing. To erase the drawing, follow these steps. Step 1. In the Tools group, click the Eraser tool. Step 2. Click the Size button and then select a size for the eraser. Step 3. Bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Step 4. Left click and drag the mouse over the part of the drawing that we want to rub out. Fill with Color tool. This tool is used to fill a selected color in any closed shape. It makes our drawing colorful. Let us first draw a rectangle in Paint. Then, follow the steps given below to fill the figures with color. Step 1. In the Tools group, click the Fill with Color tool. Step 2. In the Color group, click Color 1 and then select a color. Similarly, click Color 2 and select a color. Step 3. Bring the mouse pointer to the canvas. Step 4. Left-click inside the shape to fill it with color 1 and right-click to fill it with color 2. Text tool. We can use the text tool to type text in a drawing, as follows. Step 1. In the Tools group, click the Text tool. Step 2. Click in the drawing area where we want to add text. Step 3. Notice that the Text tab appears in the main toolbar. In the Font group, select the font size and style. Step 4. In the Colors group, click Color icon and then click a color for the text. Step 5. Type the text. Saving the drawing. It is important to save our work at short intervals so that we do not lose it in case of power failure. Step 1. Click on the File tab and select the Save option. The Save As window appears on the screen. Step 2. Type a name in the File Name box. Click on the Save button. Now, our drawing is saved in the computer. Closing Paint window. In order to close the Paint window, click on the Close button placed at the top right corner of the window, or click on the File tab and select the Exit option. Opening the saved drawing. The drawing that we have saved can be opened anytime. To open a saved drawing, Step 1. Click on the File tab and select the Open option. Step 2. The Open dialog box appears. Select the location where the file is saved. Select the file name that we want to open. Step 3. Click on the Open button. We will find the same drawing.